now! Oh no, Sonic! We're about to crash! And we couldn't stop! We don't know which call for help! What was that? You mean other than a scary sound? I don't know what it means! That looks like... Lin-Chung! There they are! There's Sonic and his friends! Come on, Lin-Chung! We gotta catch up to them! Alright, Cartoon Networks, let's go save Sonic! Yeah! Let's do this! Guys, look! It's Lin-Chung! And Finn! And all the friends! They're gonna save us! Hooray! Hurry up, guys! We don't have a lot of time here! And I'm heading straight to the slimy, gooey Gizer! Eric Speedyman, you see it? Yeah, I see that. But now we have to go really forward before I pull the brakes. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Farther, 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 farther. Perfect! Lin-Chung, look!
He's right there! Roger!
No! Sonic and Mario! I know! Roger! How about we get Sonic and Mario first and then go back for Rogers? Never mind. Okay, Eric. Now I want you to get to the front of the train so you can pull the brakes. No problem, Lin-Chung. I'm going to get out of the train. Here I go. Okay, now I'm in the train. Thank you. Now pull the brakes. I'll fix it. Here we go. We're about to slow down. Now everybody slow down the train. Yes, it's working. We're slowing down. Don't worry, guys. It's almost over. Whew. Finally. Thank you for saving me, Eric. No problem, train. And are you guys okay? Yeah, we're fine. You did it. Yeah, Lin-Chung, and that's how it's done. Yeah, we've been there. And we won't get attacked by that gooey geyser slime. Well, yeah, Sonic. Well, Eric, I knew what I mean. Oh no! Guys, the ground's starting to shake! Yeah! We're starting to shake. Look, guys! The gooey geyser slime is going to go for a sploosh! Guys, we have to run before we get slimed by that gooey geyser slime! Everybody run! Run! Let's get out of here! Hey guys, look! Gooey geyser slimy isn't squirting out goo. Not me neither. Hey, bubbles! Whoa! Look at those green bubbles! Filling it up to be with us. Now because of the gooey geyser slime. I can't believe it made bubbles. Right, guys? Yeah, that's why we see this. And as for this, thanks for saving to that train. Right? Yeah, you said it. You see, Lin-Chung? They're all bubbles. The bubbles are everywhere. And now, they're celebrating in the world. Well, I guess they're really something that we have bubbles. Yeah, we haven't seen them for a long time. Yeah, and now we're having a celebration. I agree with you, Marceline. I agree with you, bubblegum woman. I agree with you, No hands? I agree with that. And I agree with all of you. That thing is something that I seem of this. Sure is good to be back in business. Yeah, we should have seen that up there. Yeah, that's what we seen this. And by the way, Mario, my movie's coming soon. What? What? Yes, that's why I'm going to see it. Oh boy, I can't wait to see Sonic movie.